What's up, and welcome back to Exploring the Outdoors. Today we're doing some more solar stuff, and I'm going to show you all what I'm doing right now, because tomorrow me and Bandit's going to take a ride. We're going to go up to Sulphur Springs, Texas to Signature Solar, and I'm going to pick up two 440 watt bifacial panels. So they're 440 watts with a bifacial gain up to 550 watts, and I'm putting two of those on the sun tracker. So I'm gonna put two of those on the sun tracker because right now this is just a 200 watt panel, and with this 200 watt panel and my one battery inside, I'm able to run the air conditioner that I'm running for about 7 hours during the day. But if I want to use it at night, I'm just gonna run the battery dead really fast. But with those, I should be able to maintain the AC all day without taking away from the battery, and the battery will be completely topped off for nighttime. And I'm gonna be adding another battery too. But with that being said, my lawnmower died. And as you can see, my yard is high. There's Bandit wading through the grass. So since I'm playing with solar right now, I bought a electric push mower, the Ego. This is the I think 7.5 amp hour 56 volt push mower. I figured why not try that with solar too. So I have the battery for this. I just got this off the truck, and I have the battery for this thing inside being charged right now by solar. So my weed eater and my mower will be solar. Yes, it's a push mower. Well, actually self-propelled, so I just have to walk behind it. But my other mower died, and until I can get it fixed, I need something to keep up with the grass. And if we're getting plenty of sun for that, to charge that, we should be good. And we'll use the sunlight to work for us this time. All right, come back to it when I've got the thing charged up and running. We'll see how it cuts. All right, so we're gonna go for a first impressions, first cut everything on the mower. Put the battery in. I got it set for 4 inches on the grass height because my grass is so high. And we'll figure this out. Okay, it took me a few minutes to figure this thing out. I had to find an online manual real quick. But basically you hold the start button and then you pull the handle up and it's going to start the mower. And then you can do the self-propelled with these buttons. And this is the speed adjuster. So, push this down. Up. So the push mower is great, but he keeps trying to bite me while I'm home. Stop it! Alright, so the Ego, I just ran the battery down to the first time. It was flashing red, but the mower was still going. But I'm kind of impressed with it because my yard's really thick right now because of how much rain we've had, and my other mower broke, so I've been waiting on this one to show up. But I got all this cut. I went over this twice, and then I got all this down the front of the house right here cut, and all of that over there by my truck cut, and I have this little bit of area here left in the front that's pretty thick still, and it did a really good job. Now I went back over twice because of where this stuff here is clumped up. I went back over this stuff and kind of mulched it up a little bit more, and the blades are actually doing really good. So I think the key to this thing is going to be keeping the blades sharp and keeping the grass maintained on height. And I should be able to mow my whole front yard with no problem with the one charge. But it's already almost charged back up. It's got one bar left to charge up, so it's a really fast charge, less than an hour, long enough for me to take a quick little break in the house and cool off and change shirts because it is getting hot again. But I need to exercise, and push mowing be kind of like getting on a treadmill. So far, obviously it's just my first use, but if you're looking at an electric push mower, the Ego is a really good mower so far. Like, I can't say for its durability, but it does say on the website it has a 5-year mower warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. So we'll see how long it lasts. We'll keep mowing.